I'm Phil Rogers with Inland Detox. I'm the admissions advisor here. As the admissions advisor, I get asked all the time what to expect and how does our program work. First phase of the program, as soon as you come in the door, well, prior to even coming in the door, you're going to be on the phone with me. We're going to do a complete assessment, so I get to know everything about you, the ifs, ands, and buts. If there's any red flags, any questions that need to be answered at that moment, get that all taken care of. Typically, that process might take anywhere from 15 minutes to a couple hours. Once that's done and you are admitted into the program, you'll go through some paperwork as well as do a physical and mental assessment with our nurse and or doctor. And at that point in time, they'll get a very good view of how our program will be catered directly around you. So your program is going to be different than anybody else's that's here at that time. That's why we're so personal. We make it about you and not about the person next to you or the person next to them. It's only about you. Once that process is taken care of, now everyone's on the same page. And like I mentioned before, we're a tribe, we're a family. So now the whole entire family knows about what's going on with you. So that every single step of going through detox and into rehab and into the residential part, everyone knows what to expect and how to go about it, working together as a team for you. While you're with us here at Inland Detox, we do a number of different activities that are health related, rehab related, treatment related. It all coincides together. That could either be individual sessions with our psych and our therapist, which is going to be a couple times a week, as well as 4 to 5 group individual treatments per day, every single day. And then outside of that, we also have a gym on site. We get to physical fitness going again. We have a very good nutritionist on staff as well and a chef to take care of that body part that needs to, the healthy part of you that needs to be taken care of. And on top of that, we do extracurricular activities. We have a big pool here, we have a full gym, we go outside of the property, could go fishing one day, could go to the beach, to the mountains. We make it all together, surrounded about with recovery. You're not gonna be doing something that's not related to recovery with us. As a family member, myself, I dealt with a brother of mine who died of an opiate addiction, and that's how I got into this industry. So from the family side of it, it's a very hard thing to go through because you don't know what to expect. You're just taking other people's advice or you're reading it somewhere. The only real way to actually go about finding a good program is doing your own research and not taking anyone's word for it. You take people's facts, you do your own research, and then that's what you decide. If you take my word for it, that's fine. I'm gonna give you facts also, but look everything up. There's so many bad people out there nowadays. If it's not in a type of family type of atmosphere with a good group of people, there's no point. If you are looking to get some help, we are not only a certified CARF accredited program, but we also take in all different types of addictions and people, all different walks of life, race, colors, creeds. Doesn't matter if it's an addiction mentally, physically, we're gonna help you get through that. We're only not only gonna take the first step, but we're also gonna take the last step. So when you come to us, not only are we inviting in a family atmosphere, but when you're done with us, we're gonna make sure you get on to the next phase in your recovery as well. That way you're never done with recovery. We're gonna make sure that we follow you all the way through the whole entire process of getting you back to your normal life. And in order to stay up to date on anything else that we got going on in our industry, we do a lot of facts. You know, a lot of people have questions on certain types of drugs, certain types of facilities. Please subscribe below and you can check out our new videos when they come out. If you do have any comments about anything, the way I'm dressed, the way my hair looks, or if you just want to say hi, please reach down and hit the comment button. Let me know how you feel. If you are looking for help, please give us a call. I'll be the one answering your phone calls. My name's Phil Rogers and I'm more than happy to help you.